Saucy and we have
Chips.
chips.
Make sure to subscribe, okay? Yeah, we're there. We don't know what we're gonna do, but
give me something now. Say artist and him a chat all them song. Him a look like a white river, like him a play twin song. Can't tell me name, I mean a real bad man. This study over there, so make we go and sing the song.
So do you get the last shopping of that?
I see the
Show them how do it in Kingston.
yo, you're the time. You're like clockwork. So we're
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop the gun, lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well. Why? Dee is crying. She's crying for me right now. Guys, my GoPro, my camera crashed, drowned.
What a bad day.
Yes.
But never mind, everything happens for a reason. Now you're planning a trip to Florida.
Yeah, so now I come like so I have to go get some new gadgets and come back.
Anyway, guys, welcome back to today's video. It's such a sad day for both of us because my camera crashed like 3 weeks ago. Then today, the other GoPro that I was using also crashed. Kino's GoPro crashed. And we can't really understand why. Because GoPro cameras are meant to be waterproof. But now they're proving not to be waterproof.
Exactly, and the thing is the door was closed. You know, we put in the battery, it was well closed and well sealed. I remember I've been using
guys, they can see.
Yeah. As you can see, yeah, but everyone too look. You can see here or white, where the water mess, you know.
So bad.
I have to wipe my tears before I come on camera, you know, see there?
Same thing.
Same thing, two camera them crash.
Yeah, mine crashed like 3 weeks ago, GoPro 11. Oh Lord, so it's such a sad day for both of us. But anyway, still same way, want to keep up the spirit and just still do a video for you guys. That's how you mean a lot to us. So in case you're new here, my name is Dee Mwango. I'm from Kenya. That is Mama Africa, and welcome to Jamaica, the land that we all love. I've been here 2 months now, and every single day I'm falling harder in love with this beautiful island. So subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica.
Remember, guys, if you're watching, put the thumbs up, you know. And so right now I'm on the mission. I need to go figure out how I'm gonna work this out. Is it I take a trip to Florida and get some gadgets quick and fast, you know? Let's see. I need to think something out.
Or maybe if you're coming from Florida to Jamaica, you can let us know.
Yeah.
Maybe we can just send money.
Yeah, if anyone coming from Florida, I know, are you coming from the US, you know, within any day soon, if you can just let me know by watching this video, you know, you can just contact me.
Within 1 week.
Yeah, just contact me and let me know, say, Keen, I'm coming, you know, so we can try to work something out.
So in case you don't know the Tingo, we are at Dance River Falls. That's why I'm putting on a bikini. It was such a nice day. We were swimming, doing the videos, but everything crashed. And also we have some YouTubers who just came along.
Yes,
you want to be meeting them.
So we have Rally So Easy. He's here as well to and Trish Sassy.
Yeah.
You know, so we're gonna do some collaboration today. So good thing we have a backup of a phone we can work with, you know, technology. So you know the quality probably different from my camera, but we still will make it work. Yeah. Right, guys?
So right now we're going to buy the phone case for Kino's phone so that he can put his phone inside so that we can keep filming, guys. We don't wanna lose it again.
All right then. So stay tuned. Remember, like before watching. Keep watching. And we have Oliver. We have Oliver here.
Sorry for what happened to you, man.
Yeah, man.
Very sorry.
Only if Oliver was coming Jamaica tomorrow.
You'll be in good shape.
I'll be in good shape, you know. But only if Oliver was coming to Jamaica tomorrow. It's too bad.
I'm in Jamaica with you.
I'm here now, you know, so.
But everything will be fine.
Yeah.
Every little thing gonna be alright.
Pardon?
You know, don't worry
Hey,
about a thing.
I tell you.
Every little thing
Yeah.
gonna be alright.
You know, Dee been through the other day, you know, so she know what me I go through, you know, because your camera crashed as well to the other day. You know.
Plus all the footage.
And,
Go home empty-handed. Oh no. After sweating under the scorching sun the whole day. Oh. It was a heartbreak, a big one.
That's what they call life.
Yes. And life right now just hit.
Your favorite tree root is?
Eh?
The tree root.
Oh, the tree root are bust up the whole of here, so. Look there. You can see the lift up the tree root. Oh,
Yeah, so welcome to Dance River Falls, guys. You know, we're already inside. We paid at the gates. Maybe you can watch my video to see how it starts.
Yeah.
But you pay $25 if you are a non-resident like me, and if you're a Jamaican, you pay 1,000 Jamaican dollars to get in. That's the entry fee.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is the entry fee. So
This is how it looks like when you come from the entrance.
yeah. So we just say they close.
I'm gonna get a phone case.
Like they're closing up. What time is it? 4 o'clock?
Where you going? You going on Bonfire?
No, the phone case them they send up here, so like it closed. I want to close. No, I'm not exiting. I'm trying to get a phone case, water case. Yeah.
Go right down here.
Down here, sir. Okay. Oh, can I get it in there? 4 o'clock.
Ah, they close so early?
So time is moving fast.
Okay,
It's
I
like
don't
4
know if you
o'clock
can
already.
get some fish somewhere and cook by the bush or by the river.
Yeah, you bush girl. No. Bush. So what time they normally close? Because I see that them closing up early today.
Yeah.
Everyone start to close. And the thing is, I don't think they take card in here. In here they don't take cards.
But I have cash.
You got cash? Yeah. Okay.
Phone case.
Yeah, ready.
Fancy.
1,000.
Case.
Water case. Oh, look. Look at card as well. Fancy one of your case.
Alright, you look a little like there for 2,800 Jamaican. Thank you.
What's mine at $1,000?
$728.
So then one, baby. These are the ones that comes with the closure on them. You know what it around the edges? If you look up in. Are you friend them? You go on your shop. Thank you, one for 2,000. How much case you know?
One. Could you get one for 2,000?
But they are beating man. I don't want to come back here and tomorrow. So I want to buy for them.
They get one for 2,000, man. Please.
Eh?
2,000.
Alright, come fast. Show the color you want, baby.
It's not money.
Give me
the clear one,
man.
Work with a clear one. 2,000.
Okay, I use.
Okay.
Regular price. Yeah, we cash now.
Huh?
So if I carry my use, you have to go for regular price.
We're going to use cash. Hey, so the difference. Yeah, help my elbow out, you know.
No difference not really in there because we're not supposed to sell it less than that.
How much time is it?
Marlon, come talk to him and pan him master. Carvin. Come talk to him pan him master.
Another in there.
Is it from China or Jamaica?
Man can't walk. Bala!
I need to go get my next phone from the car. 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock now.
Yeah.
So by
Also,
4:30.
Trish is waiting.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to the car quickly to get my next phone and come back.
Falls exit.
This is the way you exit the fall.
Yes, I'm still here.
We're gonna put all of the locker, everything in one locker.
Yeah.
Alright. Don't leave me slowly.
So here is where you go and you get a locker and then you also get a guide. So here is when you get a locker to lock the stuff up and then you also gonna get a guide. So we're gonna need definitely the locker for the stuff them. You know. So you know I'm not gonna go up there with my phone. So.
Definitely, guys. Can't wait to enjoy and take some nice pictures. So follow me on Instagram as well. D Mwango Official.
Hello.
Hi, Dee. How are you? I'm good. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too.
Wagwan.
Yeah, yes,
Thank you. Follow you, my girl. My husband introduced me to you.
Oh,
So
wow.
we've been watching everything, the party, everything.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate
Yeah,
it.
man, you need a picture with her for your left door.
Definitely,
Hey.
definitely. It's great to know I was coming, and for sure I've come. Successful Africans.
Well. We have Shisasi and we have
Chips. Make sure to subscribe, okay? Yeah, we're there. We don't know what we're gonna do, but the camp life. Oh gosh.
I don't feel the camp like, but always someone try.
yeah.
Let's
She
try
want
it.
to feel the camp life. Yo, mosquito should not like mosquito. So I don't know what she's talking about.
Me too, but you still do it
Yeah, you like it.
so much.
She love them like that.
She love
it. Yo, me come like we're the uptown youths. We're
Yeah.
Like, yo, let's stay far from them like
You not camp?
No, sir.
Oh, sure. How sure we go?
Exit this way.
The more
This way.
The market.
Bajayo.
Yeah.
When you go through that,
Eddie.
oh gosh.
Yeah, man. So people say check out Trish Sassy. You know, the link will be in the description. And you know, Raleigh is so easy.
The man I put in work long time, people.
Long time.
Long time I put in the work, you know.
And I just know
And I just know. Yeah.
it's been a while, you know.
So when I clock in, glad feet and thing, just make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to all, and just support the dog, you know. Yeah.
Yes, it's
So guys,
possible.
as we said, we live in Dance River Falls.
Yeah, man.
It's so bad for Kino, but we still have so much content coming up. So we just live in, and when you come in, this is what you see. Lots of
General.
souvenirs that you can buy for yourself. So we just live in.
Yeah. Just leaving the party end early.
I'm sorry I didn't get to walk up the park.
I really have got circle back the fall again. Get that properly.
Oh, so all of them, you have to start over. Yo, you know, you have to make it lit
One of
up,
the-
keep the energy. No
Yeah. One of these days we just get back again.
Yeah. So we just live in Dance River Falls now. So apparently it's like they close at 4. Let me see.
It was early.
At 4, they close. So that's why we live in. How much money?
I send that one there for a souvenir overseas. A souvenir overseas. Well, hopefully we're going to end the day on an eye. Wonderful, looking good, looking good.
Also travel there. Yeah. It's one of the hallmarks of the apostles.
No, thanks. No. But you know we're gonna make it work. See me, Oliver.
Yes, sir.
It's like, it's not the same as the pot of them we always eat, you know. It's different taste. Yeah.
It's the same, but you kind of.
Yeah. like raisin. Yeah. Different. So I guess we go all the way down there so I give back the key. And them tell me say up here so me have to give back the key. Imagine that. Me run all the way down there to give back the key. And them tell me say it's up here me have to give back the key.
What?
So me waste my run. You know I go on to there. I waste that run. We and I didn't back the key in general. All the way over there so. I go on today, you know. So
you're going to the beach.
Yeah.
You're good, man.
Good.
Yeah.
We're going to the beach, yes. And the fall, yeah. But we climb lose all them clippings there right now. Hey, so people, I must say it's still a wonderful day, even though you know we never really get the footage that to finish it how I want to finish it. So I'm just gonna return back. How much? And I to get back? I swear the full money I get back. We get 50%. Eh?
That's what you get back.
Okay. So guys, we're gonna head down to by the beach and do some video here with Rolly So Easy and Trish. You know, for us continue what's going on. Yes guys, so we're here at Discovery Bay. So we just reached at Discovery Bay.
Yeah, I'm still around. I'll come.
Yeah, come in the morning, you can get a better view. I'm a psychic, so I come here and do my meditation.
Oh, come here and do that?
Yeah, I go to the I'm a but it's beautiful. And I love
Yeah, as much fisherman boat out here, man.
several, like we have over 100 fishermen over here.
Yeah, cause look at the boats them, the amount of boats. Boat.
So what about the fishing?
Yeah.
I have 400.
I them go out when I'm ready. So man out there fish now?
Of course.
Oh, that's how the boat them out there. Okay.
Like right this like the gathering.
Yes. The first 5 miles right here is a fish a protection. So right here can't fish right, we gotta go like up.
Okay.
So in the morning you will see fish right here coming down the water.
Big fish.
Big fish.
In the morning.
Yes.
What time?
6, 7 o'clock.
Do you know?
But you cannot catch them?
No, it's against the law.
Oh.
You're gonna go further against it.
Have we go further?
Oh yeah, you can't fish here at the front.
It's just like we have a wildlife protection, that's fish protection right here. So in the first part you can't quit the fish right here.
So here that guy, so you can't catch enough fish right here at the front. You have to go further beyond them boats to go catch fish. So at the man them policy right here, so yeah.
Like to make them multiply.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, man, understand.
Well, it makes sense, right?
Makes sense.
So over here you're supposed to have pure big fish then.
Many fish. You got sharks, you got eels, you got octopus, all type of fish.
Sharks. Yeah.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Not allowed.
No.
You got sharks and all that thing. Hey, I'm telling you.
I want to show you the restaurant.
Yeah. Come here, Roddy.
They both yourself, Kino.
You see there? General. Right.
Every time.
Yeah, man. So give yourself a shout out, man, and let them know where you're going with that.
Yeah, man, a magnet this man, straight man. Magnet from the block. Discovery Bay, Portland Road,
Yes,
Fisherman Beach. See?
So Fisherman Beach is?
Yeah.
And the youth.
Okay. Oliver, you know this beach, Fisherman Beach?
Huh?
You know this beach?
Because they think them uneven.
It's smart, you know. Not just a one way and to run up. So
You can do this half thing. You do this half thing.
Yes,
You need-
I do.
You need a cutlass though. You know, cutlass one out. Chop this up. So you can't break up. A real big stone. You can't break this up? Yeah, you can't break up.
try it and roll it. Go and roll it. Go and roll it.
No, not for this. You have to go broke it. Don't go up on the step. The step can break off of this?
Yeah. Suppose they don't have too much cement on it.
Yeah, we'll see. Me understand.
Show them the Kingstonian style, Rolly.
Yeah, come on, no.
Kingstonian style. Show them how to do it in Kingston.
It's hard. Yo.
Yeah. This is not the ordinary Kingston.
Yeah, real.
Yeah, the fire stick them we use at Kingston, they cannot block it with their knee like that.
Yeah, the little one, the little chip one.
Them one here rough.
Kind of what they call them, driftwood.
Fireman, what they are going to put on a pot. We roast some fish on the spot.
And me have coal and me have grill.
You have grill?
I mean, I'm cool.
I mean. Yeah.
Man, me no love see you this, man. Me have bring coal stove and bring coal.
You say look like we're struggling.
And me I man to place.
Alright, so bring the grill come.
Yeah, man, bring coal. No use no wood fire, man. It's cool like this. Yeah, man. You will let me in there.
Alright then. The man said them still was struggling. Trish, the man said was struggling.
Because we are struggling for true.
Was
It's
struggling.
not like me can't help in a car. I'm not much better.
Tell them say you use the gas stove.
Yeah.
You just light. I know say that is it.
Yeah, that is it.
I'm
If
tell
the gas
you.
done, me plug in electric.
That is it. I will tell you, so listen, call me the uptown guy.
Yeah.
You know, we use the gas stove, but you know, it's good to learn. When time the survival time come in, we know say, yeah, I have to go survive, you know. So I have to learn that way. So it makes sense by learning other culture. So we're there at Fisherman Beach. I saw him say name Fisherman Beach, right? Yeah. Fisherman Beach. Nice. So go there swim and I do little
I
things.
don't have much weight, but I water.
Yeah. So you can sit down at the clear part so people down as well. So when I go back in tonight.
Yeah, we're the more expensive than I said to order in.
Yes, I.
About $4,000 to go.
Yeah, 2 years, man. Years, no lie. So do you get the last?
Yes, you got it.
Oh my God.
So do you get the last shopping of that?
You want anything?
No! She good? Yeah man, she good man. Woo! Pick up fly.
Okay guys, now we have to eat at the end of the movie. Okay. So now the time is going to catch.
Oh no, put them on in the middle. Put them on there in the middle then.
I thought the fireplace is going to be.
Don't worry, once they have more breeze, it's gonna be kicking.
We need to buy
The axe.
yeah, it's much quicker and easy, you know.
The axe. Only for a minute. I'm going to the wrong way. More light. More light. So we're here on the beach and we have more fire. Over here, so the rest of them bring it come catch already. You know, so I go at Oliver.
Yeah, move it from the building, man. Block the building.
More fire.
So let's go. Get one cola.
Check out. Drop it down this side.
That catch already, you know, look at that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They don't need it anymore. And then put it back and try to level it out.
Oh, so the breeze can pass underneath it.
No, so it level.
Put your pants. Put your bike on up.
Oh, okay.
Put your bike.
You ready this, sir? No, you ready? She ready?
Oh, ready, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is ours.
And bring come for we use it.
Hold on, before you put it up, level this side by pushing this side. No, push this side. Push this side.
Down in the ground.
Yeah. And then you level it
Let
up.
me get something. This is ours. The call is
Get it
ours.
level. Hold on.
No, it bring come for us to use.
I'm not getting it for us.
Yeah.
Hello. You're forward.
Country, so you bring this.
Yeah.
Yes, so you can put it up.
Alright, then let's go.
It's that lean, you know, like, you know.
Yes.
But we still have to light it up for the mosquitoes.
Yeah, man, you can't feel like, man. You bring something for like it, you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Alright, it's good like that, you know. When you them, they can't do go in a car cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
You
just
can put down the fish then.
Yes, man.
Eh?
How much fish you want?
How many are we want?
Up to him.
Who are the fish?
Rowan.
So you still have the light.
Rowan, man.
6 away. 6 away, man. So I get 6 fish.
Show him, man.
You have to show which one you want?
Yeah. I don't eat seafood. You
Okay.
whatever you want.
I just need one coil.
No, take out the light.
You get some fun.
Alright, come and get the fish then. So 6 fish, right?
Not just so small. I wanted like a little big. They look so small.
We
One
have to-
is not enough.
So we're gonna have to work with it. It has to work. We have to make it work.
The way I love fish, that size.
So you want to get more than 6 then?
No, 6. That is.
Come go look. Come. Come go look. Come.
Order what you want.
Come go look.
I don't eat seafood, so salty. You're on the beach.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, me okay.
Mongo. So now we are Fisherman Beach, you said, right?
Yes.
Fisherman Beach here in Discovery Bay. So we're doing a night cooking here.
Big fish tomorrow, but because it was so sudden, everybody on the beach caught the fish from this morning.
Okay.
I told people to come by early, but
Yeah,
it
yeah.
came too late.
So we end up got done.
Yes. You know what? How should I shop? At the front shop? Yeah. For what? I'm going to go. May I see if I can get some?
Yeah, the front one.
Tell him the man who have a tab.
Yeah.
I just cleared my tab. I cleared off everything. So when you get your drink, you let me know how much it is.
Alright.
But listen to me. You can't go and get a drink unless you get something for her. Yeah, it's from there. It don't have to be alcohol, you know what I'm saying? I don't promote drinking anything nobody wants. Alright. What we doing, eh? Yeah, man.
Give me that one.
It's only full.
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, you wanna plant it?
You on the time? We're like clockwork. So we're at 233. You know what? You know what?
4 minutes on each side.
Yeah. Only problem now, them sticking. No, she's good. She's African. Strong bloodline.
You know, we don't need no fry yet. I forgot no beef.
No, we're not frying nothing.
Well, they fry, you know.
It's not fried too.
We're not fried through, man. Relax.
Oh, you want to fry with
But
that
it's kind of soft still, you know.
Man, make it deep fry like it's very good.
It's a little soft.
Oliver in the kitchen on the beachside. Beachside kitchen. Night kitchen. And we have Oliver here in the kitchen.
Where you come here from learn?
I do this back home.
Oh, you did it back home.
Oliver in the kitchen making work.
Yeah, fish. Yeah.
This is one of your favorites? So what is new that you eat down here where you like?
Fish and fry.
Breadfruit?
Yeah.
You like
Fish
breadfruit?
are going.
Actually,
Here things are going.
yo, you need to try with beef.
Yeah.
That is good. I'm ready to race. Yeah. What I'm going to get up on video?
Make sure you don't
What
break
are
it.
you doing?
You're not taking me low every day, one man.
It's the third one. It's the third one.
Yes.
They get the black eyes for the similar one.
Yeah.
The chef, right? Yeah, the chef.
For your seat, right?
What's up, chef? You good?
Who's the chef?
You, man,
Ain't
looking
no chef
good.
here, man. We just doing that thing, you know?
Because Tina said you're the chef. You taught Tina, right?
No, Tina, watch and learn. I don't teach Tina anything.
Yeah, watch him and learn.
No, me I learn when I like.
Rolly's learning, right?
No, I'm learning fully. The hot island fire. Yeah, this one kind of messed up, you know.
Alright, now make him mess up, make him go and stay some more. No? Let's go now, make him stay some more.
See this? You see all this batter right there?
Yeah, man, all of that I go back in the grave, man.
Bingo. You're right.
You're not going to burn it safe on one side.
No.
That one is not cooking up. It was the last one that
Very much. It's too burning my rice.
You want a plate now? No, have this plate.
You need a few more minutes.
Yeah, man. Ready.
Oh, so all them.
Take out the pepper. Kick out the pepper. Sit down like this. Put the big head in that packet.
Not yet.
The big head.
No. We're gonna get rid of this first.
Okay.
Hot.
Oh, Rasta do this, father. Yeah, me tell you something. No put no man the fish in there with the season. I the one you have the season carry off that.
What time is it now in Africa?
Yeah, man, no put
8
no more
hours.
with the season.
Wow.
Oil.
Come on, let's set him back here.
Hold this on 1 second.
Big fish head.
That one is for thee.
I don't care who it is. I'm just cooking it up.
She want big fish, that's her.
Never mind.
We're going to do this. See this now? This is pure ice.
Say
This fish here, pure ice. It's just ice.
Rally.
Yeah, that.
All Africans can dance.
That is fair.
All Jamaican people also white. So dance.
You can wine, right?
Also, they say also.
Yes, sir. No man, this is the very first time I do this. At least no mosquito another year.
Yeah, no mosquitoes.
No
Yeah.
Because of
mosquitoes.
the fire.
The fire did that. That is good. That is the greatest
No, but-
thing. I like how the breeze and everything
Yeah.
is natural.
Very
Feel
good.
rich.
Rich. Relaxing, you know?
Yeah, relaxing.
Yeah.
In the morning it's more beautiful.
Can't wait to see. I'm back here in the morning.
Beautiful in the morning. The fishes, they swim right. You can have one.
It's half of the day. When it's time to go back to Africa, what are you going to do?
Oh Lord, I'm not going.
He's going to cry. He's going to cry.
I cry, of course. When the time comes for sure, she's like, whoa.
Cry tears. Oh no.
That big one over there? That's a problem.
I'll travel around and still come back to this.
Yeah, it didn't thaw it. How long you had to do the water? Huh? I'm supposed to be done now one day on track. If I'm on, I'm not going.
Lovely guys. Look at this. How wonderful is this? We're here in the night, Discovery Bay, you know, having a blast by the Discovery Bay. So there's another loyal subscriber, loyal viewer of the program, you know, that invite us down here, you know. So we definitely need to come here like in the morning and do a morning vlog with the fish them, catch the fish them live, like catch and all our vibes and cook. You know it goes. You know how it goes. So we need to come here and do that, definitely. That is it. So I'm giving you this lovely sea vibes, you know, by the sea. You know, by the sea. So imagine here in the morning.
So what time is it in Africa now?
My audience is not African.
Oh.
My audience is US and Jamaican, UK, same time as Jamaica.
But UK is 6 hours ahead.
So the big party is United States and Jamaica. But still there's not too much.
Huh? Yeah, we gotta get rid of it. I see it. And dump the island.
So guys, our fish is here.
What that?
It's being so up here. You see that disrupt the thing. People see that. Wait around here.
Yes, I get rid of it.
Yeah, I'm getting rid of it. If I have a spoon, that would be good. Okay, your mother, your people them back home, them not saying
But now what can they do? Yeah. 21,000.
21,000, oh sure.
No, me, if there's somebody who cares too much for the
Watch them stone there. Watch it.
Some people feel like if they capture that, they get the season, but it just burnt.
Yeah, see, I just get rid of it.
Get rid of it. That's what man, all that season cooked off in it, you know. Who got oil? Who got oil? Oil.
Is that right there, sir?
That's the lady.
You have vinegar?
Done?
Get some vinegar.
You want vinegar? Oh, everything. Very nice.
How is that good?
Fresh fruit already.
You're not
roast.
just done with the fish.
I cook on the gravy now. And put the fish.
I just need some
in
of
the
that
gravy.
oil. What is it? Coconut oil?
I wish mine was just
Hey, who's gonna peel the thing?
Could you please leave my piece without the gravy?
Oh, you know when yours cooked down?
It's well cooked, right?
In well cook it?
What?
It's cooked enough. Oh, cook it.
Cooked enough?
Yeah.
Then
What's that right there?
mine can just remain.
Well done.
Ah, well done.
Yo. Huh? I got this, man. I got it. Remember the ketchup?
It's right there, yeah.
What's that, oil?
No, that's the ketchup there.
No, the other one. Oil?
That's the drink.
What's that?
Toast.
Where's the oil? It's finished?
Yeah, finished.
At the last.
You got no water?
Yeah,
Oh, we need to go water. See, we need to go water. You need to go water.
What?
Go water.
Yeah, whatever.
Try putting at this. Water in that.
Which one you have, African?
It's complicated to come outside car. The cleaning. Alright, so, you know, we'll probably shouldn't have the water like the river, the beach.
Talking about the water now, you can't get the fresh water.
Oh, so when you use the beach?
No, that's
the ketchup is right there.
I'm more like river water you use.
Okay.
You know the river water, spring water.
Yeah.
It's not you know.
Oh, so in the season.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't have it in the season, then the seawater is perfect.
Like there, so natural. We're not using no artificial, it's natural.
Because remember, you know, the sea is where you came from. You understand what I'm saying? It's perfect balance. But if you have to put salt and season in there, and then you dip it in the seawater, it's too much.
It makes sense because it's a natural seawater, you know, this salt, natural salt.
Yo, so you just use the seawater as seasoning?
Yeah.
When you don't have any seasoning. Like for instance, you come in, right? Yeah. And you have some fish. And you clean it up and you put it on the grill. And you roast it. When you take it off, you take it to the sea and you just dip it.
But it can't go wet.
Just like when you put water for cook down something.
Oh. We need to get you the Kingston, man.
Yeah.
No Kingston now.
Alright, look, just like how this fry now.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put it in that.
Oh, I
understand that.
I understand that.
I just see him.
I understand.
But you want one hot, one cold.
That's a seasoning.
I just see him.
I understand. Yo, I can't believe. I don't like it, but do it. I want to see. And see how it tastes. Because he must say it tastes good.
Yeah. That's how most fishermen cook them things. And when fishermen then come off of the boat, what do you think they do? Roast them fish and set them fire and then we cook in there.
In a boat?
Yeah. They must say you have man cook on boat too, you know.
Yeah, true.
Yes, I want.
You need a little bit more water though.
No, I don't want more water.
That's my gravy.
I'll get a fire.
You're getting fancy now, you cover it up.
Let me try it here. Oh, that is for me. Can I try it here? I just try. You know what?
Okay, yeah, put it on it then if you want.
Okay. It's an African thing, you wouldn't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand it. Huh?
You want to take out of huh? Want to take out of
We got the spoon, right?
Which one you take it down? The part look like done. I don't want for story. She should like to have to eat the pot.
Oh, far?
Yeah, one also. Thank you.
No.
Thanks.
Alright, just tell you what.
Give 2 minutes.
Stop. Kino said 2 minutes, nobody argue with that.
Yeah, give 2 more minutes.
When Kino don't say anything all night and then told us 2 minutes,
Yeah.
it's cool.
But we're not cold.
I give him the
I want to peel the breadfruit. Let me the rest of man there.
Can peel it for you.
Can peel it? Hey. Hey.
That's it. Rasta.
You want to peel it here?
Yeah, that's what I want.
You want to peel it?
I'm going to do it. Wait.
Wait, fish at this. What about this? I saw that one.
Yeah, man, that's what we are doing. No, man, Shagga deal with it, man.
She don't feel them, man. You see when time she come back, alright, you see that base in there, Rasta, man. God, that shit is Rasta, man, big, bro.
That's it, big.
Yeah, bro, that shit is like, that's a big ass fish head, bro. Breadfruit, and roast.
The fish are steamed down there.
The fish are steam in a pot. We're up on the seaside.
Yeah, make them know.
We're up on the seaside, bro.
Yes, bro.
Discover beer.
Yeah.
So we do it, big fish head, roast breadfruit, steamed fish. We're up on the seaside. We're out here living life.
Yes, sir.
We're drinking rum and coke. Oh, nice. That is it. See the night.
What's your hand? You want the mushroom, man?
Yeah. That's what she is.
Let me tell you something, man. It's when a woman earns respect, you give her respect.
Hey, I'm married.
Shit, pretty.
Don't say no. Say yes. No. Hey,
Everything nice, man.
I don't feel bad. But guess what? Everything you gotta say, yes. Whatever you say, yes.
That's some bullshit there, but
That's some bullshit.
hey, girl, you want to get your panties. Well, I tell you, I'm going to put the breadfruit them in when you don't feel them.
You want a container for the breadfruit?
Yeah.
You know for right now.
I cut up and put now one in box there.
So, yeah. You keep her happy by keeping balance. You do for her, she do for you.
No.
Alright, we're done with it, but you can't tell me about no. She say yeah, and you go yeah.
Alright, yeah.
Big. Let's go one more time. You go on it.
You try it at home.
I'm going to try it on me out. Big man.
Outdoors.
No. You can't do inside?
Yeah. The outside vibes is different.
What difference?
The outside vibe.
Oh.
Different from the inside vibe.
Inside and bring it outside.
Yeah. So you need the outside vibes, you know? I'm holding too much stuff for them. The lights. So, let's take that from.
I don't know.
Hold it.
But you have the carbon.
I'll see.
But tell him what you're saying.
This man, I don't know him 1 hour. I haven't been talking to him over an hour.
Oliver,
Him changed my full life.
you change your life.
I'm a married man, and him changed my perspective to what me think about life, bro. Bro, this nigga is so intelligent, bro.
Yeah, man.
Bro,
Oliver.
tell him.
You tell him.
I just told him. You're fucking intelligent. You changed my life in less than an hour.
Life is balanced, brother.
The man changed my life in less than an hour.
Oh, wow. It shows to me. I know that because I know.
Bro, I swear I see. Bro, I don't even know what to say, bro.
Yo, everybody who eating right now, take a half a spoon and put it aside and give it to the dog.
Yeah.
I don't even know right now, bro. This man is a general. What I say?
The general.
It's a general. He changed life. Life changer, bro.
That is Oliver.
Oliver, it's a life changer, bro. The man don't even know me, no? The man has changed my life. He's a married man, the man has changed my life in a 1 second. I don't even think I've been talking to him for 30 minutes. He changed my life, bro. He made me think different.
Yeah. But empty. Hey, since I'm back with you, I feel this my knife there. Where is the knife?
Oh boy.
Good morning. Blessed love, blessed good morning. I hope you're feeling well. I hope you're feeling alright anywhere you are. You know, we give thanks to the Almighty. We thank Him for life, you know. So it's wonderful, you know, to have a life experience. So I hope you're having a wonderful life. Stay positive. Mindful of negative people always around, you know. So life is always like that. Always have negative people around. So you have to always remain positive, right? That is what it is. So thank you so much all for watching. Remember, when you're watching, put the thumbs up. Always, you know. And if you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. You know, if you enjoyed already. Blessed love to all. Blessed. So what's your son?
No, grandson.
Oh, grandson, come just like I say, so you're still bad. Alright. Yeah man, so I would say this neighborhood is very wonderful. So you know it's good to wake up and just stretch your legs. You know, it's good to stretch your legs and stroll about. You know, stroll about, smell the nature. Smell the nature. Oops. Almost stepping at the big doo-doo. Morning. I always can wonder how much so much breadfruit pantry and nobody not eat it. You know eat breadfruit? Yeah. No really? Oh, a piece of the roast one. The breadfruit and ackee you're gonna lead. So I like over that yard there, you know, it just look good. That's stuff here. Give thanks to life. So I'm going to the shop, you know. I'm going to the shop right now to come back. Stretching my legs. So, you know, today we're heading to White River. Yeah, so we're heading to White River today. See what White River is like. You know, so people say I should check out White River, so I'm going to check out White River before we move on to a different destination. So White River got the rafting. But there's so much river here down in Ho Chi, you know, we're going to check out as yet still, so we just need to go and check them out, you know, see what we can get done. So life is what it is. Morning, good morning. So Bernie, we got some beautiful houses, you know, nice yard spaces. Place is very quiet, you know, all the way behind these houses it's all lands, you know, so I think this is the only road off the road, so everything else behind is pure land. Go all the way back. See so many land space these yard have. Wow. How many land space these yard have. You can put up all a mansion, you know, and a pool inside it too. You know, put your pool in your yard. And there you go, you have an Airbnb right away with the pool inside of it. Wow. Living life, boy. I'm going to check this car wash and see how much you have over here. But you have a song?
No, we're not going to song right now. I work right now. It's my song.
Ignite, you have to bust the song, man.
No, sir. I have bust me there, sir.
You have to bust it, man. Ignite the place and done, man.
Yeah, man, the Fire Nation there, man. The whole team there, 10 toes down. And everything set. Yeah, man, sir?
Yeah.
Up, we up, man. We're very ready to go. Come on.
Come on, Ignite. It's a big forward. No, we have a forward. Right now. Yeah, right at the forward that. So them call it. Yeah. Come here, Ignite.
Stop on the screen.
Tell them, man. Come on, man, you have the audience ready, you know, them ready.
Yeah. Give us our first time. Something smart.
Something smart.
Yeah, we know what now, baby. First time. I love my spread. right through the nation. Globalize the movement, a violation. Tell the youth them, the violation. We tell the youth them, get them education. And the only way to calm the frustration, one thunderball, ignite fire nation.
Give me something now, Say artists and him a chat all them song. Him a lick like a white river, like him a play Twitter. I can't tell me name, I mean a real bad man. Seaside over there, so make we go and sing the song. Me have some really good sell
A real Addy. Yeah.
Hold on, get next artist.
Yeah.
Come here.
Next artist.
Come here. Yeah, man. Give me a bomb specialist in here. Give me a bomb specialist.
Can she get baby?
I see the smile.
I see the come from the world.
But you never left me
Yeah. Where the eye name? Boom. Yeah, right. Big artist. We're full of talent and full of vibes. You see me? Right energy, man. Cool, man.
Fully love.
Queen of Life in Jamaica. Yeah, in Jamaica. And you have D Mwango as well too.
Find the general man. Queen of Life in Jamaica.
Right now. And D Mwango. If you have him, D Mwango from Kenya.
Yeah.
As well, yeah, all the way from Kenya.
YouTube. Yeah, man, I found. Find it on YouTube.
So that's how mine for Kino Life in
Kino Life in Jamaica. Alright. I remember. Yeah.
No, yeah, K-I-N-O, yeah.
Me get it.
Okay, so. Okay, do that. Okay, subscribe, right?
Subscribe, yeah. Go up on it and subscribe.
Oh, a different thing. I'm going now.
Alright, scream. Come in, fan.
Yeah.
Midnight, you're terrible.
Addy.
Addy
Bantan. Yeah, man, so we're here now at White River. You know, we're getting to the rafting.
Take a trip boat yard.
Yeah.
I carry a trip boat yard. Yeah. I'm taking down from the river. Where the river mean the sea.
Okay.
Yeah, and right here is the boat yard. Right on us, we repair the boats them.
Okay.
It's the boat yard. If you want to go up on the sea and go to snorkeling and the sightseeing, you can just talk to me same way.
Same way.
Yeah, that's that.
So I do with all of the links. Man,
we have some jet ski.
Oh, we have jet ski as well.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ski jet.
Jet ski. You ever done that before, D?
Yeah, I've done this before in Zanzibar, Tanzania.
Jet ski. So we're there with Addy Bantan. Well. So we're here at the rafting. D Mwango is here. D. Here.
Having a good time. Hey guys. Hope you're all doing good. So we're basically doing the rafting along the White River. Having a good time. Some of the things that we should all try when we come to Jam Rock, Jamaica, the land that we all love. So outfit of the day.
Representing
Jamaica.
Look. See there.
Outside, my G.
It's a whole vibe.
Yeah, the vibes is right down here. There it goes already. Yeah, man. So, as them say, you can get boats if you want to snorkeling. You have the boats anyway. You can rent them to bring you out. You have jet ski. You know, as you can see, the water is not blue today because the sky is a bit dark. It was just during just now, so we're down here. I enjoy the moment. The river is not white, it's brown. So it's brown river today. So today we have brown river, not white river.
Yeah, man, you know it, go.
Yeah.
Can I give you guys a little joke in the meanwhile?
Yes, I.
Yeah, man. You know what? The hurricane said to the coconut tree.
You know, so I didn't know that one day. I used to hear it as well as a local youth, you know.
Yeah,
but I don't remember it. But I could ask the audience them again. Can you remember what the hurricane said to the coconut tree? I wait to say again.
The jelly water is the best.
Where said he?
Alright.
Say the jelly water is the best.
You know what the hurricane said to the coconut tree?
Yeah.
He said, hold on to your nuts, they're going to be a rough blowjob.
Yeah. Yeah. The man said, hold on to your nuts. It's going to be a rough blowjob. Very rough. So that's what Gilbert said.
Yes, man. Hold on to your nuts, they're going to be a rough blowjob.
Yeah.
Did you know that?
Brown water. So. See coconut tree there too. And a coconut tree.
Yeah, we have the coconut.
Coconut tree are big, man. Thick. Thick. Water feel cool still, I'm not lie. Well, we are White River, aka Brown River today. The water is not clear because you know, it looks like the rain been falling up them sides there. So as you can see, the water coming down. So on a sunny day, on a sunny day in general, what's the water like? Clear?
Yeah, man.
Crystal?
Crystal.
Okay.
So it's dirty, but I say I just the river head.
The river head?
Yeah, come down a little.
Okay. So here the man said the river head come down a little bit, not a whole heap, just a little.
But I'm happy at least to keep the river clean.
Yeah, man, the river is still clean.
No dumping.
No.
See over there you have the garland. Oh no what garland is.
Okay, dumping.
That's the Jamaican garland with a long neck. Long neck garland.
Garland, the bird over there.
So over there is on the side, you know, this is how it is here. And the rafting, so we're coming from all the way down there, you know. We're coming from all the way down there, we're heading up the stream, up the stream, up the stream. So, as I say, the camera might seem a little bit blurry, you know, because as I say, my camera is down, so I'm sure if I want to look at matched up camera, I go and work for the minute. So, hopefully it's not so bad, you know, hopefully we can see something. You know, hopefully very soon I'll be back up with the next camera, you know. So we pray and keep our hands crossed, you know. Hopefully something can pop up soon. So if you're watching this video and if anyone watching and you come in Jamaica anytime soon, you know, you can let me know. So we'll see if we can organize someone to get one for me, or you can, you know, to bring it, or I probably have to just take a quick trip, you know, for 2 days to come get myself a camera so I can continue my journey, because now my working tool is down. Well. So I'm here by the Seaside, you know, by White River. So this is where the river over there come right down here, so I meet the sea. So I'm alongside. Walking is very rough. The wave is very rough today. I'm not even lying. And over there, the resort over there is an Airbnb. Over there is where they do a video already with me and Oliver and Boom. When I was at the Moon Palace, and we meet Satnam and Jay Chilan down here, so right over there, so right over there where they meet them. I remember this spot. So there's a place right over there, so we didn't do Airbnb as well too. Yeah man, I remember this spot. So you know what, so I right there you have the rafting with them do right here, so you can come and get your rafting done and everything, you know. So over here is a nice spot, very nice spot, you know. Over there so you have a bar and dinner, dining as well, but over there belongs to the, I don't know if it's a resort or it's an Airbnb, but I think it's an Airbnb over there. It's an Airbnb, not a resort. So it is an Airbnb over there, you know. So that is where, but on the beach here is where all the activity take places, you know. So D was doing some jet ski, so I guess D run off But that's actually run off the road. They run off the road. You know, so the guy have to go and rescue her. Because she run off the road, which is off the water. You know, off the water. You not like the water here. Rough today. Very, very rough. All my slippers it lick up. Come here, where you going? Think I'm gonna walk barefoot too? Nah, walk my barefoot too. But guys, this is rough. The water is really rough today, I'm not lying. Really rough. The wave then is so strong and everything. The wave then is really strong, I'm not lying. Well strong. As you can see, the place is kind of getting dark now. It's reaching that time of the day. You know, because we kind of come out here late, you know. But now I tell you, so the water rough. Very rough. Very, very rough. Woo. It's a deal.
Guys, it's such a fun thing to try. So when you come to White River, you know what to do. You know the thing though. You can really have so much fun by yourself. So this reminds me of Thailand. It reminds me of Zanzibar. I did this before over there, so it's good again to do it back here in Jamaica. So Jamaica is so much fun, lots of activities to do. Also you can have a swim in the beach or at the river. It all depends on what you want to do. So that has been it for now.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.